Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2024, and we're diving into Trane Technologies' latest earnings report. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Trane Technologies has just released their third quarter 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from strong revenue growth to raised guidance for the year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Trane Technologies reported a net revenue of $5.4 billion for the third quarter of 2024, which is an 11% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is impressive, driven by strong demand across their segments, particularly in the Americas. The company also reported an adjusted EPS of 337 cents, up 21% from the previous year, indicating robust profitability improvements.
And what about their operating margins?
The GAAP operating margin increased by 110 basis points to 18.8%, while the adjusted operating margin rose by 90 basis points. This margin expansion is a result of effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance. John, can you break down the performance across different segments?
Sure. The Americas segment saw a 15% increase in revenue, driven by strong bookings and operational efficiency. EMEA also performed well with an 8% revenue growth. However, the Asia-Pacific segment faced challenges, with a 21% decline in revenue due to lower volumes.
Despite the challenges in Asia-Pacific, the company reported strong bookings overall. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, the company reported $5.2 billion in bookings, up 5% year over year. This indicates a healthy demand pipeline, particularly in commercial HVAC, which is a positive sign for future revenue.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Trane Technologies has raised its full-year revenue and EPS guidance. What does this mean for investors?
Raising guidance is a strong signal of confidence from the management. The company now expects full-year revenue growth of approximately 11% and an EPS of around $11. This is supported by a robust backlog of $7.2 billion.
And what strategic initiatives are they focusing on?
The company is committed to sustainable solutions and has a strong project pipeline, particularly in commercial HVAC. They are also focusing on returning value to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, with $1 billion allocated for share buybacks.
Risks and challenges. While the report is largely positive, what are some of the risks and challenges Trane Technologies faces?
The Asia-Pacific region remains a concern with a significant revenue decline. Additionally, the company has a high debt level of $5.3 billion, which could be a risk if economic conditions worsen. Competitive pressure in the global market is also a factor to watch.
How should investors interpret these risks?
Investors should keep an eye on how the company addresses these challenges, particularly in Asia-Pacific. However, the strong performance in other regions and the raised guidance suggest that the company is well-positioned to navigate these risks.
Key takeaways. In summary, Trane Technologies has delivered a strong third quarter with impressive revenue and earnings growth. The raised guidance and robust backlog indicate a promising outlook. John, any final thoughts?
Trane Technologies is demonstrating strong operational performance and strategic focus. While there are challenges, the company's proactive measures and market position make it an attractive prospect for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Trane Technologies' performance in the comments below.